start na.
Tara.
Ah,
So, good evening, guys. And good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. So, I'm going to present our corrected ERD. This is our ERD. So, consumer has a water meter. So, the water meter is submit, and this is entirely wrong. So, water meter is your stuff. So, we're going to present the corrected ERD. So we're going to present the corrected ERD. So this is our corrected ERD. So we're going to present the corrected ERD. So this is the corrected ERD. So in our corrected ERD, we are consumer, barangay meter reader, stock reviews. So first we're going to have the barangay assigns meter reader. Each barangay designates or assigns a meter reader who is responsible for conducting a meter readings in that area. So this ensures the coverage of specific locations based on an assigned routes. So the actually the water district is now have only one the meter reader. So we have we going to have the schedule for that. So the meter reader, so second is the meter reader reads the water meter. So the assigned meter reader visits each consumer and reads the physical water meter manually. So this involves recording the current meter of, and also the value that shows water consumption. And the other one was the consumer. So the consumer uses water meter. So each consumer is linked to a specific water meter installed at their premises, so they're in their area. So the meter records the actual water usage of the consumer is over time. And also we have the meter reader. So the meter reader will submit the meter reading. So after the reading, the meter reader submits the reading data. So the data that they are collected within the uh, meter reading. So in the current process, this might be done through a logbook or manually put the code or numbers into their mobile. So and also it will be transferred later on in their current system. Also, they have the stock reviews. So the stock reviews, the meter rating. So the stock is the one that they are going to review the meter reading of the meter reader. So office staff or billing personnel review the submitted meter readings for errors uh, or inconsistencies before processing them further. These steps helps ensure the accuracy of the data before generating bills. So in this our ERD, it clearly shows who interacts with whom in the water meter reading workflow, and also that identify the areas where manual work currently exists, and also to provide a foundation for system automation later on. So, like for example, they're developing a web or mobile app for reading submission. And also, this is a conceptual ERD text presentation. Barangay assigns meter reader. Meter reader reads water meter. Consumer uses water meter. And meter reader submits meter reading. And staff reviews meter reader. So this is our the identified relationships. Assign grades, uses, submits, and reviews. Also, they identify entities. So they are the identifying entities, barangay, meter reader, water meter, consumer, meter reading, and staff. So I guess that would be all. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone, for joining this meeting. Thank you.